liquidity in the fixed income market witnessed a decline after the 142 billion naira Treasury bill sales and the 40 billion naira OMO sales. The traders at Axis Bank say they expect rates to maintain the same levels today. Tobechukwu Ikpe, team member Treasury at Axis Bank, joins me to discuss activities at the fixed income and FX markets this week. Tobechukwu, thank you for joining us today. So let's start with market action today. Bring us up to speed on market action so far and just a brief review of what we've seen across market segments since Monday.
Okay, good morning. Thank you for having me again. So this week at the fixed income and money market space, we've seen the week open at 84 billion naira for the money market space, and it was increased on Tuesday following the OMO maturity of 106 billion. This was further depleted during the midweek by the NTB auction and the OMO auction, as you mentioned. There was a net NTB sales of 142 billion and the OMO auction of 40 billion that took out liquidity from the system. So closing the week today, there isn't much expected activity. The overnight and open repo rates closed around 4% levels yesterday, and we don't expect it to trade significantly higher than this. For the Treasury bills market, most of the attention was focused on the NTB auction and OMO auctions that held this week. The one-year NTB auction closed at 4.1%, a decrease of about 25 basis points. And for the OMO auction, the CBN offered about 40 billion across the standard tenors, and the rates closed at 7%, 8.5%, and 10.1% respectively.
And Tobe, finally, just bring us up to speed on highlights of the FX markets. I know that there was an FPI intervention by the CBN. Just walk us through highlights from the FX market.
So for the FX market, the CBN has consistently tried to provide funds to that space. They continue to sell to foreign portfolio investors twice a week. So they sell on Mondays and Wednesdays to defend the naira and keep it at stable levels for the economy. So the FX market is still witnessing improved accretion to the reserves. So this helps the CBN to continue to support the naira at the current levels.